Ever pondered over the power of a simple beverage in combating high blood pressure? Well, the answer lies in nature's pantry. Today we delve into the world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on the top 5 drinks that help lower high blood pressure. The first drink on our list is the humble beetroot juice. This vibrant, earthy drink is loaded with nitrates, which are known to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Studies show that drinking just 1 cup of beetroot juice daily can cause significant decreases in blood pressure levels. But remember, fresh is best. So opt for juicing your own beets rather than reaching for a store-bought variety. Next up is hibiscus tea, a vibrant, tart beverage that's as good for your blood pressure as it is pleasing to the palate. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and other antioxidants that help prevent the narrowing of blood vessels, thus helping to reduce blood pressure. Steep the tea for a few minutes, enjoy it hot or cold, and watch your blood pressure decrease over time. The third drink on our list might surprise you. It's skim milk. The combination of low fat and high calcium in skim milk works wonders for those with high blood pressure. Studies have found that diets high in low-fat dairy products like skim milk can significantly reduce the risk of high blood pressure. So, swap out that full-fat milk for skim in your daily cereal or coffee. Our fourth drink is pomegranate juice, a sweet and tangy delight that's been shown to have impressive heart-healthy benefits. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been found to reduce high blood pressure, cholesterol, and even stress levels. Drinking just 1 cup of pomegranate juice a day can lead to significant health improvements. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the good old green tea. This beverage has been celebrated for its health benefits for centuries. Green tea is packed with flavonoids, antioxidants that are known to boost heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol. Aim for 3 cups a day for maximum benefits. In summary, these 5 drinks, beetroot juice, hibiscus tea, skim milk, pomegranate juice, and green tea, all possess impressive blood pressure lowering abilities.